Hi, I'm Jean Lalonde, the developer of Quick Access Pop-up and of Quick Clipboard Editor. I showed you in the previous video how these two applications can work together in order to add to your QAP menu clipboard commands that can automatically transform the content of your clipboard, doing a simple find and replace, for example, or more complex operation with multiple steps that can be applied in one click from your QAP menu. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create new commands in Quick Clipboard Editor, what is called saved commands, and how you can call these commands from QAP. Two examples. First one that will be simply to replace some text in the clipboard. For example, let's say that you have a template of code where there is a name server that is in a placeholder like this placeholder here. So how we can use it to replace automatically the placeholders in your clipboard with the real text that you want to use, assuming you have to do it frequently. The second example will be to do two actions in one step. So the first action will be to remove from a list. Here it's a very small list, but it could be very long, and you would need to remove all the lines in this list that have the cancelled or rejected or failed status. So three criteria that we will see later where we remove these lines. And in the second step, we want to sort this list by due date reverse order. So let's put it aside for now and concentrate first with this example with a find and replace. So first what we have to do is to create in Quick Clipboard Editor a command. So I just copied here the placeholder name. I want to create a command where I will do a global replace of the text in the clipboard. So what to find is the placeholder. Here is the real name that I want to replace. So let's say it is my server. I want to make a global replacement, and I want now to save this command. So that's the way we can have this command being remembered and usable from Quick Access Pop-up. To save it, we need to give it a name. The easiest thing to do is to click the suggest button that will automatically create a name based on the parameters that you entered in the form here. Let's say that I will just make it a little shorter, replace temp server, okay, to make it shorter, and I save it. I could test it here. So for example, if I copy this text here in Notepad, it's now in Quick Clipboard Editor. In the save command list, I find the command that I just created. So let's execute it. It's now completed, and if I return to my text, I see that every occurrences of the placeholder has been replaced with my server. So it works. It's now available in Quick Clipboard Editor. Now let's add it to the QAP menu. To add a clipboard command, you do it from this list as you would do with any other type of favorites. We have here the list of the commands that are available in Quick Clipboard Editor. The one we are looking for is under Find and Replace, and that's this one here, replace temp server 01 that we just created in Quick Clipboard Editor. So we add it to the menu. We could give to this command a shortcut hot strings as you would do with any other favorites, and I will use the automatic copy and paste commands here so that it will be faster to do the replacement. So let's add it. I'm saving this. Now I have the text here in Notepad. The text is selected. So I will call the find and replace command that I just added to the menu, and in 1 or 2 seconds the text will be automatically replaced. As you can see here, we now have my server at every location where we had the placeholder. This has been done in just a second. Now let's go to the second example. We have this list of tickets, and what we need to do is to remove some lines and sort this list. So what we need to do in Quick Clipboard Editor is to create, because we have two commands, to create a script that will have two lines. First line, remove lines, and secondly, sort. So the first, we will have to create these two commands here. So the first one is filter lines. We want to delete lines, and want to delete lines that contain any of these three words. So cancel, rejected, or failed. We could use case sensitivity, but we don't need it for now. So all we have to do now is to save the command, and we'll give it a name here. So filter, I will just again make it shorter. So, and also when you want to group some commands in the same script, it's good to have a prefix. So remove sort, I will use this prefix, and here we delete lines containing cancel, rejected, or failed. I'm saving it. It is now saved. The second command I need, it will be the sort command. This command is found here. Sort with options. I want to sort in reverse order from the beginning of the line. So this was an old parameter that we don't need in this case. And I will save this with, again, suggest, and the prefix will be, remove sort. I think I've done it that way. Sort reverse order. Save it. Okay. So if I go to my list of save command here, I have these two commands I just added. By the way, you could also create save command from this list here by clicking the create a save command here, select what kind of save command you want to create, and it will take you to the dialog box, the form when you can add the parameter. You could also do it from here, create a save command. So that there are different ways. The way I prefer is to go to the command itself and click the save checkbox to save the command. So now we have these two commands. Now what we need to do is to group them in a script. So the third command that we will create will be a script. And here on each line you enter the name of the saved commands you want to execute in the script. So I will insert a save command. It's easy. You can see the list of save command using this button. So filter line, remove sort, delete lines, that's the first command. And the second command is sort, remove sort, reverse order. That's it. We save this command here. I'll name it remove sort, cancelled, etc. Save it. And we are done in Quick Clipboard Editor. So now we can move to Quick Access pop-up to your QAP menu and add a command, a clipboard command, as we did previously. Now the one we want to add is under the script category, and it is remove sort, cancel, etc. We add this command. I forgot, I will just add the copy and paste actions here, save it. And now in Notepad I have this list here. So all I have to do is to select what I want to modify. So this will be copied automatically to the clipboard. The script will be applied and it will be pasted back to the same place, so replacing this text. So in one click, script remove sort cancelled, and we're done. So the only one remaining are the OK and the reported, and as you can see, this list is now sorted in reverse order. Oh yes, I forgot something. It has I removed the parameter 8. So the parameter 8 was to say that I wanted to sort it by date from the 8 positions. Now it is from the beginning. So let's take one more minute just to make this adjustment. That's always like that. There's a few things that you have to tweak. So let's tweak this sort command. So in the save command, manage command, the sort command here, I will just edit it and say that we want to start from position 8 and I just have to save it again. It's now done. Let's close it. And I will apply the command again. Of course, there will be no line removed because they are already removed, but it will now be sorted correctly. And also, oops, I just see that I forgot to click the reverse order option here. So now it will be correctly sorting by reverse date. So let's save it. Close this window. Close this. And now I have this list again. I will just reselect it. Now it will be sorted correctly. So we have from December to September of 2025. So that's how you can just in a few clicks execute something that you would have to do frequently. It takes some time, of course, to set up your clipboard commands, but once it's done, it can be used as much as you want in just one click from your QAP menu. Thank you for your attention. If you want to know more, you can go to the Quick Access Pop-Up website. If you add /QCE, you will get directly to the page that will help you to integrate these clipboard commands in your QAP menu. And of course, you can go to clipboard.quickaccesspopup.com to learn more about Quick Clipboard Editor. Thank you.